Quarts equal a
gallon. 4 quarts equals a gallon. 4 quarts equals a gallon.
Alright guys, everybody about done? Got all your P's and Q's and C's in the right places? Awesome. Alright, well now we're going to do some fun stuff. We're going to do some pudding. Woo! Alright, so there's a lot of steps that go into making pudding. Okay, so I'm going to show you, demonstrate it first. I'm not going to make the pudding, I'm just going to give you an example to make sure you guys don't mess up. Okay, so these are all the things that are going to be in your bowls, okay? So we have 2 cups, which are going to be full of milk. But does anyone remember that these are not actual cups? It does not equal 1 cup, so you've got to make sure that you pour your milk into this, and it equals 1 cup, which is right here. Okay, so make sure you measure it out. Okay, so our first step is going to be using your measuring cups, pour 2 cups of milk in the bowl. So we're going to put you in groups of 4, so you've got to make sure you give everybody a turn to pour the milk in. So 2 people are going to be doing the milk, and then 2 people will be pouring the pudding and stirring. Okay, so after you've poured your milk into your cup and in the bowl, okay, so you got a bowl of milk. Then you're going to take your pudding and you're going to open the pudding up, and inside this is going to be a bag. I'm going to open this one for one group so you can just see the bag. Okay, so this is your bag. This is powder, so you've got to make sure that you open it really carefully, okay? At the top of it, you're just going to take a rip across the top and make sure it doesn't spill anywhere. You can actually do it over your bowl if you want. That way if it spills out, it just gets in your pudding bowl. So you're going to open it up and pour it in there, which is step number 2. Okay? And then once you've got that poured in there, you're going to take your spoon, or your spatula in this case, and you're going to stir it. Does anyone know how long you're supposed to stir it for? 1 minute. So it's going to make your arm pretty tired, so make sure you hand off the spoon to someone else, because 1 minute of stirring is a lot. But what you're going to want to make sure is there's no lumps in your pudding, because then that's not going to taste very good if you have lumpy pudding. So make sure you stir it really well, and then we're going to let the pudding sit. And while the pudding's sitting, we're going to let you do your what's stuck with you, but we'll go over that afterwards. Okay, does anyone have any questions?
How do I know that I've stirred for a minute?
We'll have a timer up here for you. We'll let you know. But you just want to stir it until there's no lumps. The minute is just kind of like an average kind of time. Make sure you do it for a while. But the general thing is make sure you don't have any lumps in your pudding. As long as it's no lumpy, you're good to go. Okay? Everybody ready? Oh, we're going to give you some hand sanitizer because we don't want any germs in our pudding. Okay, so if you 4 could work together, Jess and Allie and Hannah and Aaron.
I'm just observing, but
Alright, here's your pudding.
True third grade style.
Alright, if we could get, if you 3 want to work together, and then you 3 back there can work together, we'll have groups of 3 as well.
dude, it's so much clearer up here.
Make sure you measure it in the way.
Put it in your mouth.
Just a second.
We don't have a measuring cone.
Oh, you don't know. Oh, it's right there.
Remember the 5 steps.
Yeah, you have to make sure you measure it.
Looks like a cup to me.
Everybody have meal at your group?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good manners.
I don't really know your name, but
2 cups. Right.
we need more milk.
That looks good.